Good morning all. This is the first video of lesson number 8, States of Matter, class 5, Science. Okay. So today we are going to start the next chapter, the states of matter. Now let me explain what is a matter. You remember our whole body was made up of different cells. The cell was the smallest particle or the smallest unit of our body. Similarly, this scale, this stapler, bottle, all these are made up of small particles. These are called as the atoms, and they further are combined together to make the molecules. So what happen is, anything that has mass, which have some weight and which is occupying some space, that is anything that has mass, anything that is, let this be this copy, let this be the stapler, it is having some weight and it is having some space also, it is occupying some space, that is called as the matter. Okay. So after that, next is the arrangement of atoms, that in the matter the smallest particle is the atoms. So that arrangement describe whether that matter will be liquid, solid, it will be liquid, or it will be gases. Now in your book you will find these are the different arrangements of molecules. These are the arrangement of the molecules in solid. So the thing is solids, they are having fixed shape, that is this stapler is a solid one. Fine. This pen stand is also a solid one. Whether I take it or whether I throw it or whether I take it from this place to this place, the shape will remain the same. So because why this shape will remain the same? Because the molecules have the strong forces of attraction in between them. So molecules are having strong forces, that is they are attached to each other. In the scale they are attached to each other. So the point is that solids have strong forces of attraction. And then in the solid there are two types of solid. One is the hard solid like scale or like stapler. Other is the soft solid like a cloth. This is suppose the hanky. This can take this shape. Then I can fold it. It can take lesser space. Similar is the case with the paper. Okay, this is suppose the paper, we can fold it, or the copy. So these two are the soft solids. Okay. Next is the liquid. So in the liquid, the forces of attraction, they are very much less. See here the arrangement of molecules in liquid. So in the molecules of the liquid, these molecules, they are very less space, there is very less space. Okay. Now let me give you the example. This is water, it is taking the shape of a bottle. I pour it in a glass, it is taking the shape of glass. So liquids, they can flow easily when we are changing their shape. Whatever container we are putting it, it is having the shape of bottle, this water is having the shape of the glass. Then there I have collected some milk. These two are the examples of the liquids having less forces of attraction. Okay. Then next thing is gases. So in the gases, now can you tell what is this football? What is inside the football? There is a gas. So if I take it off, if I just push it, so gas will move and the gas will automatically cover the whole room. Similarly, if I have an incense stick or agarbatti, can you see this? smoke or what you call smell of it. This is not limited to me only, it is spread to the whole room. Why? Because the gases are having very much negligible force. See here in the balloon, the gases molecules are arranged very far. There is very less or no force of attraction between the molecules of a gas. So 3 examples I have shown. This is a solid one. Okay, this is a solid. These two are the liquid, water and milk. This two are the gases. Example of gas, or this is a smell, but this is inside, this is having gas inside. Okay, now next topic we will be reading about the solubility of a substance in the water.